everyone and welcome back to my beauty channel. My name is Josephine and I do all kinds of beauty videos, but mostly unboxing videos and makeup videos. And today it's time to unbox the Goodiebox of June. Before we start, I really want to recommend you to like, comment, subscribe, and of course hit the bell, turn the notifications on so you miss my future videos. But let's start this unboxing. Okay, so this is the box you receive every month. Goodiebox is a beauty subscription. You receive around 5 beauty products in a box with different shades and prints and so on. You can receive makeup or skin products or beauty tools or whatever. And sometimes you receive more, but mostly, well, most of the times 5 products. And of course I have a affiliate link in the description box. Only 10 people can use it. I think some of you can still use it. I have a couple of links left. Just try to use it. If you do, you receive 25% off your first box. I receive goodie points, so it's not sponsored or anything. I don't get paid. I just receive goodie points and eventually I can buy boxes with my goodie points. So let's open. I haven't sneak peeked anything as usual, so I have no idea what's inside of the box. Oh, we have a completely nude box. That's really cute. They've always been black, and this little drawer has been in different shades and prints, but this time it's all nude. I love it. It really looks like their advent calendar. I have it here. I really like it. That looks so good. Okay, I'm definitely going to save this one. So it says Goodiebox on the top. You can take out the little drawer. The Get Naked box. Yeah, so in this we have descriptions of all the products, prices, and all of that. Some of you requested me to read these first, but I'm not going to do that. I like to, I want it to be a surprise when I open the box. So I'm going to read this as a last step when we've seen all of the products. So we just put that aside. I just unwrap the paper a bit, and then I reach for one product at a time. So let's start. Okay, first product. Vitamin C Serum from Echo King. We have received products from this brand before and I actually appreciate them. I've received some kind of moisturizing cream and I love that. I think we received some kind of serum before as well. I don't know if it's the same. I don't think so. But yeah, it's 20 milliliters. It also has hyaluronic acid in it, moisture boost. It's vegan, and it's not for sensitive skin, so be aware of that. Definitely going to use this one. Next product, something big. Evoluderm Gel Corpse Detox Ploy the Cocoa Detox Body Jelly. Coconut water and green tea extract. All skin types. Made in France. Hydrates, moisturizes and refreshes. 200 milliliters. Is it just a body wash or a body cream? Moisturizing cream. 200 milliliters. It's a big size, so it will last you a while. I really like that. I think I've seen this brand before, but I'm not completely sure or what products. If so, I don't know. I'm happy with it. That's one thing I love about Goodiebox. They have big sizes, so It's not like Glossybox. Moving on. Rescue Me. Nourishing hair mask. Vegan, vitamin E, keratin, amino acids, silicone free, 100 milliliters. Ultra nourishing hair mask for smooth, shiny and healthy hair. Lavish Care is the brand, I think. Repairs dry and damaged hair. You will notice a difference after just one treatment. Suitable for all hair types. Apply the mask to damp hair. Gently massage it into the mid-length and ends for 30 seconds. Leave it in for 2 to 5 minutes. Rinse off throughoutly. Okay, I really need hair masks, so fits me perfectly. Some kind of tool, I think. Trom Body Facial Ice Roller. Perfect partner for your skincare routine. When used daily, it helps increase blood circulation and improves the skin's elasticity. Okay, it helps the skin. A gentle massage with a cold ice roller reduces and cools swelling, puffiness, and soothes the skin. Keep your facial ice roller cool before use, preferably 15 minutes in the refrigerator. Blah, blah, blah. Clean after use. Interesting. I love receiving all of these tools in my goodie boxes. It looks just like you expect a roller to look like. I definitely can see why this feels good, you know? Exciting. Next product. Okay. The Professional Pore Primer from Benefit. Seriously? This is my favorite. I think I have 2 of them already. I love this. I love this. Benefit, first of all, is a great brand. I love their products and they're pretty expensive. This is a travel size or mini size, 7.5 milliliters, but this will last you a long time. You just need a very, very small amount of products. This will make your skin look matte as hell, and it will make your makeup last a long time. If you're dry and have small pores, this isn't for you. You don't need it. You will feel like it's heavy on your skin. But if you have big pores and you're very oily, you will love this. I do, and a lot of people does, okay? So thank you, Goodiebox. I love that. And some gum. Now and then they send me gum, or they send us gum, and I actually appreciate it. It's something you don't want to, I don't know. I don't buy gum so often, but it's good to have. And it's not like they send this instead of a product. They send the regular products, but they include gum as well, so then it's fine. But I know that some boxes like Glossybox, they include stuff like this, and they include it instead of one of the 5 products. That's ridiculous. But when they do it like this, I like it, okay? It's really, really nice of them. I mean, we already have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products, so 6 products, and we have 1 more. We have a boob mask. What? Mikura premium mask collection boob mask, sheet mask for breasts, firming, anti-aging, moisturizing. Okay, if you've seen my other Goodiebox unboxings, you know that I really don't like face masks, but this is something different. Breast mask, boob mask, sorry. I'm definitely going to use this one. I've actually done a boob job not long ago, so I really care for my boobs or my breasts, so firming, anti-aging. I love the packaging. So, it's 2 separate sheets, one for each breast. The mask helps to firm up the skin and has a moisturizing and anti-aging properties. The serum in the mask contains, among other ingredients, ginseng extract and hyaluronic acid. Once you have cleaned and dried the area, apply a sheet to each breast, placing the nipple in the hole in the middle. Allow the mask to work for 15 to 20 minutes before removing it and gently massage the remaining serum into the skin. The mask can be used as needed or 1 to 2 times a week. I'm definitely going to try this one. Okay, they really got me with this one, and I hate masks, but this, I'm definitely going to use that. Okay, so we have a lot of products. 5, 6, 7 products if we count the gum. I'm impressed. Okay, let's read the description paper. First of all, the serum. Full-size Eco King Vitamin C Serum. Recommended price around $53. That's expensive. Yeah, you use it evening after you cleanse your skin and before you apply your night cream. Nothing special. It has a lot of good ingredients. Evoluderm Detox Body Jelly, Pluie de Coco, full size, recommended price $5, so it's very affordable. It has a cooling effect on your skin. It doesn't feel sticky on the skin, or yeah, you know, if you're going to put on clothes after applying it, it doesn't really matter because it's not sticky. You use it over your whole body. Tromboy Facial Ice Roller, full size. Recommended price $25. Okay, we read a lot about it on the packaging, so yeah. But you should be consistent with the cleansing of the product because yeah, it should be clean when you use it. The boob mask, full size Mikura boob mask, recommended price $9. Yes, this is a boob mask. It contains 2 separate blah 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 blah. We already read the descriptions, so it's pretty much the same. A bit expensive for me for a mask. I only use it once, so I don't know. Lavish Care Rescue Me Hair Mask, full size. Recommended price $10. That's really affordable for a hair mask, actually. Yeah, and we read about it as well. So, moving on. Benefit Cosmetics Professional Face Primer. Recommended price $40 for 22 milliliters, but this is a smaller size. It's 7.5 milliliters. So the value of this one we received is $19 Yeah, it minimizes the pores. It's oil free, and you only need to apply a thin layer. I love this box. It feels like they're back on track. They've been I don't know what they've been up to lately, but some of the last boxes we have received is, I don't know. I didn't really like them, and I was a bit afraid of where Goodiebox were going, but it feels like they're back, and I really like the box again, and I love it. I really do. It's a perfect box. You know, face tool, a body cream, something, hair mask, a primer, a boob mask, and gum. I mean, come on. It's a perfect box. I love it. Okay, so let's hope the next month's box will be just as good, but I really think so. And I hope so. Yeah. That's all for this video. So again, don't forget to use my affiliate link if you want to subscribe to this box. It's not I don't get paid, okay? I just receive goodie points. You receive 25% off your first box, so win-win for everyone. And of course, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, turn the notifications on so you miss my future videos. And I see you in the next one.